If you've ever opened TradingView and wondered, okay, the charts look great, but how do I actually place trades? You're not alone. One of the biggest beginner mistakes is assuming TradingView is a broker. It's not. TradingView is the platform, while your broker is what actually executes your trades. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to connect a broker to TradingView, how to test everything safely with paper trading, and how to place your first trade directly from the chart. Let's get started. Before we connect anything, let's clear up one important concept. TradingView gives you the charts, tools, indicators, and analysis. The broker gives you access to the market. Think of TradingView as the dashboard of a car. The broker is the engine. You need both working together. Once you understand this relationship, everything becomes much easier. Now let's jump into TradingView and connect a broker step by step. Starting from the TradingView homepage, look for the Brokers section. This is where TradingView lists the brokers that can integrate directly with the platform. You'll notice there are many different choices. At first glance, this may seem overwhelming. However, there's a simple way to think about it. Different brokers specialize in different markets. Some focus on stocks, others focus on Forex. Others focus on crypto or futures. If you're mainly trading one market, start by filtering brokers that support that specific asset class. This can save a lot of time. Now let's take a closer look at what information TradingView provides. You'll usually see broker ratings, supported markets, account features, and available trading tools. These details help you compare options without visiting dozens of different websites. This is where many beginners make mistakes. They choose a broker simply because someone recommended it. Instead, ask yourself 3 questions. What market do I want to trade? Is the broker available in my country? Does the broker offer a demo account? That last question is extremely important. A demo account allows you to practice without risking real money. For beginners, that's one of the most valuable features you can have. Keep this in mind. Learning the platform before risking capital can save you from expensive mistakes later. Now let's move on to the actual connection process. Open any TradingView chart. Then locate the trading panel at the bottom of the screen. When you open it, you'll see a list of supported brokers. If you already have an account with one of them, simply select that broker. TradingView will redirect you to the broker's login process. After signing in, TradingView and your broker account become linked. The process usually takes less than a minute. If your broker isn't immediately visible, don't panic. Use the search function or select the option to view all available brokers. TradingView automatically adjusts some broker listings based on your region. That's why users may not see the exact same list. Before placing real trades, I strongly recommend testing everything with paper trading. Paper trading creates a simulated account. You can place trades, test strategies, and learn the platform without risking money. This is where many successful traders start. Let's see how this works in practice. Select paper trading inside the trading panel. Connect the account. Within seconds, you'll have a virtual balance available. Now you can practice using the same interface you'll use when trading live. The goal isn't to make fake profits. The goal is to learn the workflow. Learning how to enter, manage, and close positions confidently is a valuable skill. Now for the exciting part. Let's place a simple trade. Open the order panel. You'll notice several order types available. The easiest one to understand is the market order. A market order executes immediately at the current market price. For this example, choose a small position size, click Buy. Your position now appears inside the account panel. You'll see information such as entry price, profit and loss, and position size. Now let's add a stop loss. A stop loss automatically closes the trade if the market moves against you. This helps control risk. You can also add a take profit level. A take profit closes the trade automatically when a target price is reached. Even though we're using a demo account, it's a good habit to practice risk management from day one. Before you start trading, there are a few mistakes you should avoid. Mistake number 1: connecting a live account before understanding the platform. Always practice first. Mistake number 2: ignoring stop losses. A good setup without risk management can still become a bad trade. Mistake number 3: assuming TradingView controls execution. Remember, your broker executes the trades. TradingView provides the interface. Understanding that difference helps prevent confusion when something doesn't work exactly as expected. Here's where it gets interesting. TradingView allows you to manage multiple broker connections. For example, you might use one broker for stocks and another for Forex. Everything can be managed from a familiar interface. You can also customize your trading layout. Resize panels, move windows, adjust chart settings. Create a workspace that matches your trading style. The more comfortable your setup becomes, the easier it is to stay focused. And that's it. You now know how to find a broker, connect it to TradingView, test everything with paper trading, and place your first trade. If you're completely new to TradingView, start with a demo account and spend some time learning the platform. The experience you gain there can be incredibly valuable later. If you found this tutorial helpful, leave a like and subscribe. And let me know in the comments which broker are you using with TradingView. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.